Alfa Laval innovations like CurveFlow, OmegaPort and FlexFlow contribute to sustainability with reduced fouling and improved efficiency. They are invented to overcome the common challenges for all plate heat exchanger manufacturers. The first challenge is how to distribute the flow evenly inside the channel. The problem is that the fluid will always take the shortcut and not go the longer distance. A poorly designed distribution pattern will mean the formation of dead spots with reduced flow or even no flow, and hence the start of fouling. The unique design of the Alfa Laval CurveFlow ensures that the resistance to flow is equal from points A to B all the way for the shortest path and the longest path. Hence, a perfect distribution is achieved inside the channel, providing customer savings with minimized fouling and longer uptime. Another consequence of a poorly designed distribution pattern is the loss in efficiency and underutilization of the available surface for heat transfer. When the flow regime is formed inside the heat exchanger with a poor distribution pattern, the fluids in the adjacent channels just don't cross each other. Hence, the poor heat transfer. This is waste of pumping energy and our natural resources. Hence, the Alfa Laval CurveFlow also contributes to sustainability with effective utilization of pumping power for efficient heat transfer. For more information and to see how Alfa Laval provides savings in operation and maintenance costs, please visit alfalaval.com. Discover how these unique features provide improved efficiency and reduce fouling, helping customers to save money and protect our planet.